you've decided to go vegan. Awesome. But now what? Welcome to my Going Vegan Starter Kit video. If you haven't seen my first video, click here to check it out. This video is for you if you already want to go vegan and you just want some advice. Let's get started. Be honest with yourself. Think about a few questions. Did you really do all you could to avoid that purchase? Could you have done more research ahead of time? Ignorance might be bliss, but when there's suffering tied to one end of a transaction, is it really acceptable? Or could you do more to be prepared and informed for the next time?
This is an excuse to do some good musical theater. So be prepared, be enthusiastic, and leave your bullshit attitude and baggage at the door, because we don't need it. Hey, you guys!
If you find yourself in a situation without a vegan option to eat, or making a mistake and eating a non-vegan product, perhaps even buying a non-vegan jumper, don't panic. Keep receipts. You could even donate to charities or food banks. You can plan ahead and find vegan options in most places. Don't worry about asking awkward questions because you're doing it for you, not for other people. When I first went vegan, I would often skip eating snacks on the go because I didn't feel confident with what I could and couldn't eat. So I just waited till I got home. You can change your actions slightly, cause a small amount of discomfort to yourself, and stick at it. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to catch the other videos in this series.